Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is have two straight lines going across. And the reason why I'm doing that is just so I have an idea of where the sandcastle will go. Now if you want everything to be symmetrical and even, then you can just draw the sandcastle using these straight lines. But if you don't care about it being symmetrical and even, just draw it freehand like I'm going to do now. Okay, so start off by having a line going up, then draw another line going across but have it going up and down like this. And then another line going down the other side. Okay, so basically that's one tower, and now we need to draw a second tower right next to it. Now if you want this to be completely even, just copy and paste the first one. But if you're gonna draw it freehand, then just don't worry about it being the same size, because it really doesn't matter. Next, just erase this bit in the middle, and then draw a straight line going across. And right at the bottom, just draw a wavy line going across, just to show that it's on sand. Now that's the basic shape of the castle done. Now all you need to do is draw the detail on the inside, which is basically just going to be the windows and doors. And to draw the windows and doors, I suggest using arched lines like this. And the reason why I'm not putting anything in the center of the sandcastle is because that's where the face will go. And now it's time for the face. So I'm just going to start off by drawing two dots for the eyes, and then two white highlights, and then just add a little smile underneath. And that's it, how to draw a cartoon sandcastle. If you enjoyed that video, please remember to subscribe, because there's going to be loads more videos like this one coming up.